and I'm just going to hop right into it. So this is basically to clear up some nonsense, what's going on. I'm trying to find it. There is a person that was, oh, here he is. Okay, so look at this fat dude. Take a look at him. Okay. Now ask yourself, okay, take a good look at him. Would you let that guy around your daughter, your 13-year-old daughter or 9-year-old daughter or 7-year-old son? Would you let this guy around them? Okay. That guy looks disgusting. Okay. And he leaves disgusting comments on my YouTube. If you're watching this, well, I found out there's a block button on YouTube. I don't know how effective it is, but this guy is, I guess he's considered a competitor or a hater. Nonetheless, if you're a competitor or a hater on my channel, you should probably just leave, because you can be covertly subscribing to my channel to do whatever it is you want to do, but you're not going to be effective at it. Because if I find you, I'm going to expose you and roast you like this guy. Okay. This guy says, just like some other guy, there was a guy, Shelby or Sherry. He's an older man, and he is having a testosterone issue. So he's having a post-PED syndrome, middle-aged man. You could see his tits growing because he takes too much steroids. And yeah, he claims to be a veteran. He's a fake. He's probably not a veteran, probably hasn't served. Anyway, so his channel and this guy's channel are completely predicated on just talking trash about some person that supposedly scammed them. Well, here's the thing. This guy is calling our company a scam, but he's not even a customer or a client. So you as an adult, if you're not a current client, you should watch this. If you are a current client, you should watch this as well. You guys already made the right decisions. How could you as an adult say someone's a scam when you know you have no business dealings with them? That's not logical at all. You cannot be considered a man that is a credible source of getting any information. But what you can be considered is a hater and a toxic individual, an sociopath, when you go about talking about other people's businesses that you don't have any idea about. Okay, I don't do this. I talk about Lexington law. I get the facts. I have a bias. I have a company, a credit repair company. But, you know, we can back up everything we say. And again, you know, people like Lakeisha are calling us the best. You know, we're the best. Okay. What else do we have here? People like Mamanduo, I don't want to say his full name, but you could read it there. Read it. Take a look at it. Read it. Okay, I'll read it out. I love the service you provide so much that I'm willing to pay more to expedite the results. Is that possible, bro? I'm kind of on a deadline. I said, yeah, you know, paid extra $5,000. Just kidding. It's only $500. So he paid $500. There it is, the screenshot of the transaction he sent me. Keep in mind, he paid more. He paid, you know, I think he's in the thousands already. But people are liking that. So if I was a scam, why would he pay me more money? It doesn't make any sense. He would clearly identify that. He's only been a client for, I don't know, maybe a little bit more than a month. Okay. And he's already wanting to pay me more. I never asked him. He donated that money to me, just like other people. They've asked me for this expedited service. So we're definitely not a scam. Okay. We're nothing even close to that. So if you have no experience with Pinnacle, then just don't talk about Pinnacle unless you are genuinely interested in referring customers. And if you want to refer us clients, you can make money doing that. We have an affiliate link, which I just go to our website. Okay. I'll leave it to you guys to go to my website and check around for that affiliate link. I'm not even going to leave an affiliate link here. Anyway, you can do that if you want to make money. If you want to make hundreds of thousands of dollars referring clients, okay, you can do that, you know, or tens of thousands, whatever is your goal. And you could do that, okay? So, yeah, we're definitely not scamming people. If you don't have a genuine interest in signing up, then just leave the channel. This channel is only for people that are thinking about that want to fix their credit. They're looking for a serious individual to work with personally and to do that. We have another program. It's a monthly program, but whatever it is within your budget. This guy did that monthly program. Now he wants to hire me personally, so he paid me more, paid a higher fee for that. So yeah, whatever it is, whatever floats your boat, guys. But as you saw the text message, people are calling me the best. We're getting awesome results for people. And let me show you some other results that we have. Oh. Let me look. See if we have any. Did he send any? Oh, we don't. Oh, Deborah. Oh, let me show you that one. Okay. So Deborah, I could show you the full text. So read it right there. She was able to get a $250,000 construction loan. And you can look at the date. See, it's Wednesday. What day is it today? Thursday. Right? Is it Thursday today? I think it's Thursday. Is it Thursday? I lost track. I don't keep count of days. I lose count. So just like the gym, I don't keep count of the push-ups and sit-ups that I do. I lose count. Lose count within your own success. Lose counts within the testimonies and the client. I can't. There's too many people. Okay. Diona, you recently signed up. See, signed up there. Tons of people signing up. What else do we have here? Oh, here, Fernando. I can't show you this because it has his email, but Fernando, this is a text. Look at him. He says, you provide such a good service. Fernando, if you're watching, thanks for joining. Everyone, please sign up. Just take my word for it. I'm not going to scam you. I'm not going to rip you off. We just don't do that here. If you guys are going to be cynical and be like, is he lying? Okay, you're losing your time. The facts are this. If you pay me money, we're going to help you and you're going to be happy one way or another. And you're going to have certainty. So let me tell you where the disconnect is, where people get pissed off. It's because people don't know how to run their business correctly. When you ignore customers and they just don't know what's going on, that's when they get pissed off. I don't ignore anyone. I respond fairly quickly. And if I don't respond, the client is being like, you didn't message me back. You know what I mean? It's like, it's not important. I'll message you back if it's important. I'll be the one to dictate. Like, I will take away all the headache for you. You don't determine the speed of which I work, only me. I'm the God in credit repair, okay? You come to me to sacrifice a lamb, to sacrifice your daughter, to sacrifice your money, whatever. And I will give you access to the promised land. That's my promise. That's my guarantee, okay? Where you can get your money back. Nobody gets their money back because we are great business people, and here we have a staff to support you. I don't even need to respond to all my clients. I have a staff and support team that does it, okay, and a software that handles everything for you. So it's pretty easy for me to manage these customers. It's not a point of me being super busy. It's just me. I'm not going to waste my time on dumb shit, right? Neither should you. So you should probably sign up. If you haven't already, you should sign up. It's the right thing to do. Tons of people are signing up and they're seeing results. You're going to have to watch. Don't base your judgment about me, because I run this business. Like Elon Musk runs Tesla. People don't invest in Tesla. They invest in Elon Musk. And whatever Elon Musk does, it turns into gold. Just like credit repair, right? Whatever file I work on, it turns to gold. We get the negatives off one way or another. We're not going to give up. I don't care how hard it is. With me, you have a fighter. It's not about, oh, that file's easy, we'll get it done in 1 week. We don't do that. It could happen. It might happen. But keep in mind, our business is predicated on taking on the hardest, most difficult files. How do you think these people are paying $1,000 for a fee, or $1,500, or even $3,000? These are, I guess, above average people, or rich, whatever you want to call it, successful people that have hired other companies and they failed. They're smart. They don't give up. They want to hire someone that is trustworthy and can get the job done. All right. Not because I'm nice. Oh, he followed up with me. Fuck that shit. It's not about following up. It's not about that. It's not about being nice. It's about getting the job done. Okay. We will get the job done. There's this video right here. It's not going to be the only video that we post. There's going to be more and more and more. So I'm waiting on a batch of some client testimonies of some clients that want to show some more results. So keep an eye on that. I'm also going to, there's one particular client who has a crazy report, bankruptcy and a bunch of other stuff included in it, charge-off, collections, late payments. I'm going to show you me working on that. Okay. I haven't thought about, maybe I want to post it and have a private link. And if you pay like $100, I'll show you like how to work on it. But my competitors might get access to that, and then they might. So I don't even know if I want to do that, right? But what I can do is this: I could show you some violations that are on a report. I can show you how to identify violations that most people don't know about, right? So that's pretty much what I'll do. But I can't show you. This is not a channel to teach you how to repair credit. This is a channel to show you that we are the real deal. That's pretty much it. And for people that are calling us a scam, there's not even that much. There's only a couple people. But, these are not even clients. And this dude, we're like, dude, you need to hop on a treadmill, okay? You need to get on a fasting. You need to get on a vegan diet, Whatever you need to do, bro. You're fat and you're ugly. Okay, don't go on my channel. I'm fit. I'm in shape. I'm up at the crack of dawn and handling my business. Okay, don't come to me and tell me how to run my fucking business. That's just not only rude, but it's dumb. You can't do what I do better than